Production of defense needs. Earlier, India used to depend mainly on imports for its defense sector needs. Now, India is producing many of the defense needs of Indian defense sector. Also, the Indian government has allowed the private sector to manufacture defense needs of Indian defense sector to meet its requirements. Government wants private sector share in defense production to rise to 50%. The government expects that to the private sector to produce 5 lakh artillery shells manually, TNT rockets also to be manufactured. The private sector should eventually account for at least half of India's defense manufacturing capacity, increased from about 30% currently as the government pushes to expand domestic military production. Earlier, the private sector share in the defense production was 30%. Now the central government expects the private sector contribution in defense production to be reached more than 50%. The private sector industry brings efficiency, research capabilities, and a greater willingness to take risks. It is expected to manufacture more than 5 lakhs 155 artillery shells manually, besides explosives, rockets, and ring munitions. The operations needs of our armed forces also re-strengthening Indian defense present a major step towards India's first 300-kilometer universal rocket launch system has been manufactured and tested successfully. The ammunition park signals Nebia's entry into manufacturing arms, Earth observation satellites, long-range attack systems, small and precision attack drones. Important technology is transferred from Israel as a partner. The Army's order for Suryastra placed using emergency. The private sector is to produce a range of loitering munitions starting from smaller size that will hit targets at 100 kilometers to a distance of 1000 kilometers. And Earth observation satellites joint venture to assemble with a capacity of perfect vision to the needs of Indian defense sector. So this is the expectation of Indian government about the private sector participation in the defense sector manufacture up to at least to reach 50% of the Indian defense needs.